name of the chapter is Random Variable and Discrete Probability Distribution. Now, what is a random variable X? X is a number which is assigned to the outcome of sample space U. Okay? Now, over here, start with the example. 2 coins are tossed. Now, what are the outcomes? Outcomes U, outcome small u. Outcome is tail, 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 head, head, tail, and head, head. Probability of this outcome, probability of U, equal chances, equiprobable, mutually exclusive events. So इसका probability is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. Now let's say random variable X denote number of heads. Random variable X denotes क्या? Number of heads. So I am assigning a numeric value to these outcomes. Now tail, tail 0, tail, head, and head, tail 1 and 1, and head, head 2. Now what is the probability of X? Probability of X, यानी probability of getting 0 head is 1 by 4. 1 head is 1 head आने का probability क्या है? 1 by 4 and again 1 by 4. So probability of getting 1 head is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So if you toss 2 coins, 50% chance hai it will be 1 head and 1 tail. Understood this? Okay. And probability of getting 2 heads when X is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 4. The total is always equal to 1. This is known as sigma P of Xi. Sigma P of Xi is always equal to 1. Understood this? Now, इसमें this part is known as a discrete probability distribution. Based on this, we write some rules. First, sigma P of Xi should always be equal to 1. Second, P of Xi can never be negative. Third, P of Xi cannot be less than or more than 1. Now, if it is so, less than or more than 1, then we cannot call it a discrete probability distribution. Because for discrete probability distribution, sigma, summation of P of Xi will always be equal to 1. Understood this? Okay. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 का first. Examine whether the following distribution is a probability distribution of a discrete random variable X. Now, what we have to see whether it is a discrete probability distribution or not. What is given? Exercise 2.1, question 1, page number 79. P of X is equal to X plus 2 upon 25, where X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we write over here X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now x मिल गया. P of x is equal to x plus 2 upon 25. So over here 1 plus 2 upon 25, 2 plus 2 upon 25, 3 plus 2 upon 25, 4 plus 2 upon 25 and 5 plus 2 upon 25, which is equal to 3 by 25, 4 by 25, 5 by 25, 6 by 25 and 7 by 25. Do the total. Sigma P of xi is equal to 3 and 4, 7 and 5, 12 and 6, 18, 25 by 25, which is equal to 1. Is it a discrete probability distribution? Yes. Okay, since sigma P of xi is equal to 1, it is a discrete probability distribution. Question number 2. If the following distribution is a probability distribution of variable x, then find constant capital K. P of x is equal to 6 minus modulus x minus 7 upon K, where x is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's write question 2. P of x is equal to 6 minus modulus x minus 7 upon K. X is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. X 4, 5, leave space and write, because we will be doing this equation. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. P of x is equal to 6 minus modulus x minus 7 upon K. So 6 minus 4 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 5 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 7 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 8 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 9 minus 7 upon K. 6 minus 10 minus 7 modulus K. A modulus here, you have to ignore the negative sign. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 by K. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 by K is equal to 6 minus 1, 5 by K is equal to 6 minus 0, 6 by K is equal to 6 minus 1, 5 by K is equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by K and 3 by K. Total 30 by K. Sigma P of xi is equal to, now what's the rule? Sigma P of xi is always equal to 1. Therefore 30 by K is equal to 1. Therefore K is equal to 30. Third, probability distribution of random variable x is defined as follows. P of x is equal to K upon x plus 1. X plus 1 factorial. Okay, x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Question 3. P of x is equal to K upon x plus 1 factorial, where x is equal to 1, 2, 3, x 1, 2, 3. P of x is equal to K upon x plus 1 factorial. So k upon 1 plus 1 factorial, k upon 2 plus 1 factorial, and k upon 3 plus 1 factorial. K upon 1 plus 1 2 factorial is 2, k upon 2 plus 1 3 factorial is 6, 3 into 2 into 1, and k upon 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24. Therefore, sigma p of xi is equal to k by 2 plus k by 6 plus k by 24. ये डायरेक्ट टोटल मत कर देना, पॉसिबल नहीं है यहाँ पे, बराबर है ना. डिनोमिनेटर वी कैन नॉट ऐड, वी हैव टू फाइंड एलसीएम. LCM is 24, so we multiply each with 24. Sigma p of xi is always equal to 1. I'll write over here sigma p of xi is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 24. So 12k, 6 4s are 4k plus k upon 24. Therefore 24 is equal to 24 यहाँ multiply हो जाएगा, is equal to 12 and 4 16 and 1 17 k. Therefore k is equal to 24 by 17. Answer. Second is we have to find probability of x greater than 1 less than 4 is equal to probability of x greater than 1, यानी probability of 2 plus probability of 3. Understood this? 2 और 3 कैसे आया? More than 1, less than 4. This is clear? Okay, so probability of 2. What is probability of 2? K by 6 plus k by 24. Which is equal to, now what is k? K is 24 by 17 into 1 by 6 plus 24 by 17 into 1 by 24. पता चला? नहीं पता चला? ध्यान दो. K by 6 is equal to k into 1 by 6. अब पता चला? K is what? 24 by 17. 6 4s are, so 4 by 17 plus 1 by 17, which is 5 by 17. Therefore, probability of x greater than 1 less than 4 is equal to 5 by 17. Answer. Illustration 1 पे आ जाओ. Determine whether the values given below are appropriate as the values of probability distribution of discrete random variable x, which assumes the value 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Now first one, मुझे पता, is it a discrete probability distribution? No, because 4p probability of 4 is negative. So circle कर दो ताकि तुम्हें पता चले. Second, you can see all are positive less than 1 individually. तो total करके देखो, is it equal to 1? 27 and 15 is 42, 42 and 58 is 1. Okay, third. 9 and 3, 12 and 1, 13 and 4, 17 by 19. So sigma p of xi is not equal to 1. पता चला सबको? Awesome. Page number 70, illustration 4. In a factory, packets of produced blades are prepared, having 50 blades in each packet. A quality control engineer randomly selects a packet from these packets and examines all the blades of the selected packet. If 4 or more defective blades are observed in the selected packet, then the packet is rejected. The probability distribution of defective blades in the packet is given below. एक फैक्ट्री में ब्लेड्स बनाते हैं तो एक ब्लेड के पैकेट में 50 ब्लेड है बराबर. एक इंजीनियर क्या करता है, रैंडमली सब पैकेट्स को चेक करता है. एक पैकेट उठाया, 50 ब्लेड्स चेक किया. अगर उसमें 4 डिफेक्टिव निकला तो वो पैकेट हो गया रिजेक्ट, 4 या उससे ज्यादा. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या दिया है कि 0 डिफेक्ट, 1 डिफेक्ट, 2 डिफेक्ट, 3 डिफेक्ट, 4 डिफेक्ट, 5 डिफेक्ट, 6 और मोर. वो डिफेक्ट्स आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? अंडरस्टूड दिस all of you? Now from the given distribution find constant k. Second, find the probability that randomly selected packet is accepted by quality control engineer. When it will be accepted by quality control engineer? When the defective blades are less than 4. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. Understood this? Okay. Now illustration 4, page number 70. First, find constant k. Now k find करने के लिए we have to write first x and then we write probability of x. Is this clear? Okay, x is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or more. Probability 9k, 3k, 3k, 2k, 2k, k minus 0.02, 6 or more, 0.02. X denotes number of defective blades in a packet of 50 blades. Sigma p of xi is equal to p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of x greater than equal to 6, which is equal to 9k plus 3k plus 3k plus 2k plus 2k plus k minus 0.02 plus 0.02, okay, which is equal to 20k. Therefore p of xi, sigma p of xi is equal to 1. Therefore 20k is equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05. Find the probability that randomly selected packet is accepted by the quality control engineer. लिखो second, the randomly selected packet is accepted by quality control engineer only when 3 or less than 3 blades are defective. Therefore, probability of x less than equal to 3, which is equal to probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. Write this, which is equal to 9k plus 3k plus 3k plus 2k. 9k plus 3k plus 3k plus 2k, which is equal to 17k, which is equal to 17 into 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.85. Answer. Illustration 5. There are 4 red and 2 white balls in a box. 2 balls are drawn at random from the box without replacement. Obtain the probability distribution of number of white ball in the selected balls. Now, without seeing the answer, tell me what will be x? x क्या आएगा? आंसर मत देखो, अपना माइंड अप्लाई करो. x क्या लेंगे हम? किसका probability find करना है? That number of white ball is selected. So x denotes what? X denotes number of white balls. Understood this? Okay. Now let's first find out what are the outcomes possible. Now illustration 5. 4 red and 2 white. Total 6 balls. Now we have to select 2 balls. 2 balls are selected at random without replacement. Now 2 balls are selected at random without replacement. तो हमें पहले find करना पड़ेगा outcomes. What are the outcomes possible? Denoted by small u. क्या outcome possible है? 2 are selected. It can be 1 red and 1 red, or we can say 2 red, or it can be 1 red and 1 white, or it can be 1 white and 1 white. Possible है ना? These are the 3 outcomes possible. Every one of you? Okay. Now probability of u. 1 red and 1 red, यानी 2 red, 4 में से 2, 4c2 upon total 6, c2 is equal to 4c2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to 6 into 5 upon 2, so upon 15. 4c2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1. 6c2 is 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1. लिखूं मैं? पता चल गया? Okay. Now 1 red and 1 white. तो 1 red into 4c1 into 1 white 2c1 upon 6c2. 4 2s are 8 upon 15. And 1 white and 1 white. So 2c2 upon 6c2 is equal to 1 upon 15. Understood this? Now x denotes number of white balls. X denotes number of white balls. Now over here it is 0, over here it is 1, and over here it is 2. So probability of x is 6 by 15, 8 by 15 and 1 by 15. Is the total equal to 1? Yes. Therefore, probability distribution is x and p of x 0, 1 and 2, 6 by 15, 8 by 15 and 1 by 15. Very important, it's part of formula. Every day you have to write mean and variance. Draw a chart. A table है, okay, it goes on and on and on up to where sigma p of xi is always equal to 1. Now first let's understand mean. For that, I'll make a vertical table x and p of x. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So total sigma p of xi, which is equal to 1. Now mean is denoted by symbol mu. पता है ना सबको? This is the symbol for mean or expected value और E है, सिग्मा नहीं है, ये E है, कैपिटल E, expected value of discrete random variable x. So we call this mean as this symbol mu, or mean is what? Expected value of discrete random variable x. Formula is mu or expected value of x is equal to sigma x I into p of xi. Expected value of x or mean or mu is equal to sigma xi into p of xi. Now this is xi, p of xi. This is clear. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to multiply xi into p of xi, and then the total is sigma xi p of xi. For simplicity purpose, we write sigma x p of x. For simplicity purpose, understood this? So if I want to find mean of this probability distribution, the next step will be, after I find this, I'll multiply these two. Got it? Okay. Then one more step. Say for example, if this is A and this is B, C is equal to A into B. Okay? Now, one more column we will add. That will be A into C. What is A into C? Xi into P xi. Sigma Fi di and sigma Fi di square. पता चला? Xi is A into C. C is what? Again xi into P of xi. So I will write over here xi square into P of xi. इससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? इससे मुझे मिलेगा सिग्मा xi square into P of xi. Now mean पता चल गया कैसे मिला? What is mean? Sigma x into P of x. Is this clear? या सिंपल याद रखना, ये दो कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आया उसका टोटल is your expected value, or it's your mean, or it's your mu. Is this clear? Now we go for variance. Variance is equal to sigma square or V of x, variance of discrete random variable x. ये V of x is a denotion, but V of x at least it denotes શું કરે છે? Variance of x. Is this clear? Normal. We used to find variance. We had xi, we had fi, we have di, we have fi di, and we have fi di square. Then we have formula for variance. This is clear. We call variance as S square. Instead of this, we call it sigma square or V in the bracket X. Okay, so either we write sigma square or we write variance of discrete random variable X. Is this clear? Now, इसका formula is sigma square is equal to variance of X, which is equal to E in the bracket X minus mu square. Variance क्या है? Deviation of random variable X with the expected value of random variable X. Understood this? हम करते थे ना xi minus mu, xi minus mean, याद आया फॉर्मूला? सिग्मा xi minus x bar upon n, याद आया? वैसे instead of that it is x is a random variable, x is a random variable, उसको किससे माइनस करते? With the expected value. Understood this? इन सब का expected value जो आएगा सबको उससे माइनस करेंगे. जैसे मीन आता है xi minus x bar, standard deviation square, which is variance is sigma xi minus x bar the whole square upon n. So xi is this x and mu is the mean. Understood this now? Now, if I open the bracket, it will be E x square minus mu square, which is equal to E x square minus mu. Mu is what? E of x. E of x is also known as mu. Iska square. Let's write. What is E of x square? E of x square is equal to, which you have already found out, sigma x square into p of x I. यानी ये वाला कॉलम is this, उसका total. पता चल गया सबको? Now what you have to do? This minus ये जो find किया था इसका square. So what you have to find if a sum is given? You have to find out xi, pxi, multiply both, then multiply a into c, do the totals. This will be your mu or E of x. This will be E of expected value of x square. और variance के लिए हमें इसका complete का square, so mean का square. If I write the formula, sigma x square upon n minus x bar square. So E of x square, E of x square is equal to sigma xi square into p of xi or sigma x square into p of x. लिख लो.
तो डायरेक्ट E mu square नहीं